I went to Okinawa and saw people over 90 who were surprisingly energetic and completely illness-free. When I got there, I found out that they eat a secret food at night. That was the real key to all their energy. Disease-free living.
You wake up tired, your eyes open, but your body refuses to move. You grab a cup of coffee, hoping it will fix everything, but deep inside, you know something's not right. You sleep for 7 or 8 hours, yet every morning feels like a battle. Your muscles feel heavy, your mind foggy, and your energy disappears before noon. It's not just aging, it's something deeper happening inside your body. But here's the strange part. In a small island in Japan called Okinawa, people in their 80s and 90s wake up full of energy. They move, garden, and even dance without any struggle. They don't depend on caffeine, vitamins, or energy drinks. Their secret lies in something they eat before bed, a simple, doctor-approved nighttime ritual that helps their body repair and recharge while they sleep. Dr. Makoto Suzuki, a Japanese cardiologist who studied these long-living Okinawans, discovered this unusual food habit that keeps their energy youthful even at old age. Now, why turmeric and ginger? Because they're powerful natural anti-inflammatories. Turmeric contains curcumin, which improves blood flow and helps the liver flush out toxins. Ginger supports circulation, warms the body, and calms the stomach. When combined, they help the body enter a state of deep, peaceful rest. No tossing, no bloating, no heavy stomach. Your body gets a clean stage for healing. Modern science has backed this up too. Researchers from Japan's National Center for Geriatrics found that regular consumption of purple sweet potato improved mitochondrial activity by nearly 20% in elderly participants. The anthocyanins in these potatoes act like shields, protecting your cells from oxidative stress. The invisible damage that makes you feel older and more tired. Another study published in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry showed that anthocyanins could boost ATP production and support brain energy, helping you feel mentally sharper when you wake up. But that's not the only secret. Dr. Suzuki noticed that the Okinawan people treated bedtime as a sacred routine. They didn't rush, they didn't scroll on their phones or stress about tomorrow. They wound down slowly, often with soft conversation, gratitude, or reflection. This mental calmness plays a huge role in their energy levels. When your mind relaxes before bed, your body releases melatonin, the sleep hormone, and serotonin, the happiness chemical. These hormones balance your circadian rhythm, helping you fall asleep faster and enter deep restorative sleep cycles. When this happens, your body doesn't just rest, it rebuilds. Deep sleep is when growth hormone is released, when your immune system resets, and when your mitochondria repair themselves. That's the magic window when the Okinawan bedtime meal does its work. Now, let's contrast that with modern life. Most people eat late dinners, heavy, greasy meals with sugar or alcohol. Then they stay up watching screens, worrying, or scrolling through news. Their body tries to digest food while the brain is overstimulated. The liver gets overloaded, the blood sugar spikes, and the mitochondria can't recover. Even if they sleep for 8 hours, they wake up tired because their body never truly rested. That's why Dr. Suzuki called the Okinawan diet and lifestyle the harmony of healing. It's not about eating less. It's about eating right, especially before bed. The beauty of this habit is how simple it is. You don't need supplements, caffeine, or pills. You just need the right food at the right time. Dr. Suzuki recommended a combination of boiled purple sweet potato, small servings of fermented soy, also called natto, and herbal tea. Each one supports a different part of the healing process. The sweet potato feeds your mitochondria. The fermented soy helps your gut bacteria produce beneficial short-chain fatty acids, and the tea calms your nerves while supporting detox. This trio works together to prepare your body for deep recovery. Imagine waking up without pain, fatigue, or brain fog, just like the Okinawan elders. Their secret isn't magic. It's a combination of rhythm, nutrition, and respect for rest. Western science is only now beginning to catch up to what Dr. Suzuki discovered decades ago. Researchers from Harvard and the University of Tokyo have confirmed that bedtime nutrition influences morning energy, hormone balance, and even longevity. Eating the right foods before sleep triggers your body to repair instead of digest, to rejuvenate instead of struggle. So when you feel drained despite sleeping enough, don't blame your age, blame your nighttime habits. Your body isn't lazy, it's starving for the right kind of nourishment. By adopting this Okinawan secret, eating natural antioxidant-rich foods before bed, you allow your body to work with nature, not against it. This small change can lead to deeper sleep, sharper mornings, and long-lasting vitality. Now let's go even deeper into this Okinawan nighttime secret and understand what really happens inside your body when you follow it. According to Dr. Makoto Suzuki and other longevity researchers, your body has two different modes, day mode and night mode. During the day, your body burns energy to keep you moving, thinking, and working. But during the night, it switches to a repair mode. This is when your body rebuilds cells, heals tissues, and restores energy. However, for this repair process to work perfectly, your body needs the right raw materials, nutrients, oxygen, and antioxidants. That's exactly what the Okinawan nighttime meal provides. The purple sweet potato, turmeric tea, and light early dinners give your body the fuel it needs to recharge without overloading your system. When you eat heavy, greasy, or sugary food before bed, your body spends the whole night digesting instead of repairing. But when you eat light, clean food, like the Okinawan people do, your mitochondria can focus on generating energy instead of fighting toxins. The anthocyanins in purple sweet potatoes clean up free radicals that damage your cells. The complex carbohydrates provide slow, steady glucose to fuel your liver and brain all night long. The fiber improves gut health and lowers inflammation. When your gut is healthy, your body produces more serotonin, which supports deep sleep and morning happiness. And when you drink warm turmeric or ginger tea, you improve blood flow, reduce stiffness, and help the liver detox naturally. It's a complete cycle of balance, food, sleep, and repair all working in harmony. Dr. Suzuki often said, sleep is the body's second meal. It means your body feeds on the nutrients stored before you sleep. If you go to bed after eating junk, your cells are starved of quality energy. But if you eat the right thing, like a small serving of boiled purple sweet potato and herbal tea, your body spends the night healing itself. This process strengthens your immune system, boosts energy production, and even slows aging. Many Okinawan elders told Dr. Suzuki that they never wake up tired or bloated. They sleep deeply, and when they rise, their body feels light, their joints flexible, and their mind calm. Let's understand the science behind it. During deep sleep, your brain flushes out toxins through a system called the glymphatic system. It works only when your body is fully relaxed and not digesting heavy food. The liver also performs its detox cycle between 11 p.m. and 3 a.m. That's why eating early and light is crucial. It allows the liver to clean your blood and rejuvenate your energy stores. The purple sweet potato gives your body polyphenols and natural sugars that don't stress insulin levels, but still fuel your cells. This makes your mitochondria stronger. The stronger your mitochondria, the more youthful energy you have. It's no coincidence that Okinawa is called the land of immortals. Their elders show how food timing and simplicity can change everything. Now, let's look at how you can adopt this same habit in your daily life. Start by making dinner early, ideally 3 hours before bedtime. Keep it light, mainly vegetables, grains, or soups. Then, about an hour before sleeping, eat a small portion of boiled or baked purple or orange sweet potato. No butter, no sugar, just plain or, maybe lightly seasoned with cinnamon. After that, drink a cup of turmeric or ginger tea. If you want a more Okinawan touch, you can add a few drops of lime or a pinch of sea salt for minerals. Then turn off screens, dim the lights, and spend 10 minutes in gratitude. Thank your body, your family, and your day. This mental calm will trigger your parasympathetic nervous system, the part that controls healing and rest. Do this for 7 nights and you'll start to notice changes. The first sign is lighter mornings. You'll wake up without grogginess. Your digestion will feel easier, your skin will glow more, and your focus will improve. After 2 weeks, your energy will last longer through the day. You may even feel more positive and less anxious. That's because your sleep hormones and energy hormones start balancing naturally. It's not a quick fix, it's a restoration. You're teaching your body how to rest and recover properly again. Even modern research agrees. Studies from Harvard, Tokyo University, and the Okinawa Centenarian Project all highlight that eating antioxidant-rich, low-calorie, plant-based food before sleep improves lifespan and reduces chronic fatigue. It helps your body preserve muscle mass, maintain joint flexibility, and stabilize blood sugar. These are the same things that keep Okinawan elders active into their 90s. They aren't just living long, they're living well. And the secret isn't hidden in a lab, it's on their dinner tables. Dr. Suzuki once shared a touching story of a 102-year-old Okinawan woman who still cooked her own meals. She told him, "At night, I thank the earth for feeding me. Then I sleep. And the next day, the earth thanks me with energy." That simple wisdom shows how deeply their health is tied to nature and gratitude. We've lost that connection in modern life. We eat fast, think fast, and sleep late. Our bodies never get the peace they need to heal, but it's not too late to return to balance. You can start tonight. So, let's recap this powerful Okinawan bedtime formula. Step 1. Eat dinner early. Step 2. 1 hour before bed, have a small portion of boiled sweet potato. Step 3. Sip warm turmeric or ginger tea. Step 4. Avoid screens and stressful thoughts. Step 5. Sleep peacefully, allowing your body to restore itself. It's that simple. And it's doctor approved, tested for generations, and supported by modern science. If you're over 50 and constantly feel tired, don't accept it as normal aging. Chronic fatigue is a sign your body isn't recharging properly. The Okinawan method can help you fix that without pills, caffeine, or complicated diets. It's about aligning your body with nature's rhythm. Imagine waking up each morning full of energy, your mind clear, your joints flexible, and your spirit light. That's what Dr. Suzuki saw in every Okinawan elder he met. So tonight, take a step back from modern chaos. No late-night snacks, no cold drinks, no screens. Instead, prepare your small bowl of sweet potato, sip your golden tea, and breathe deeply. Let your body heal in silence. By morning, you'll feel the difference. Your fatigue will begin to fade. Your mornings will feel brighter, and your energy will feel steady throughout the day. This is not a miracle, it's nature's design. You just have to work with it. If this message resonates with you, share it with someone you care about, someone who's been feeling tired or burnt out, because sometimes the secret to energy isn't in the morning routine, it's in what you do before bed. Dr. Suzuki proved that simple, mindful eating before sleep can transform your health, your energy, and even your lifespan. Try it for a week and let your mornings tell the story. Remember, energy is not lost with age, it's restored with wisdom. And that wisdom, as Okinawa shows us, begins at the dinner table.